It's
so
pointless.
Tell him about the guy we were speaking to earlier, Nanu, remember from New Money. He's in Etsy Kings, right?
Yeah.
He's making 14k a month.
Yeah.
Like, boys, I remember speaking to this guy because he's also in my group. He's making 14k a month revenue. This guy was literally making like, even my brother spoke to him at one point. He was making like fucking couple grand a month.
Where he's like 2 months in now, I think. I think he's like maybe 2.5. Like, not long at all. Not long
What's
at
his
all.
profit margin? Like 25%, 30%?
It should be like 25, 30%. Even, yeah, it should be like 30%. 20 to 30%, we'll see.
So he's making like 4 or 5k a month profit. Like, what do dentists make in England, their starting salary?
Starting's probably like 35.
It's really not high. He's making more than a dentist, and like, let's be honest, like, what's harder, being a dentist for like years and years, or like doing a couple months of Etsy? Obviously, being a dentist is harder.
Way harder.
Way harder. And Etsy's like, I want to say it's is it more scalable? Because dentist is pretty scalable if you become top, but still, it's pretty fucking.
No, it's
scalable.
not, because a dentist, you're forever exchanging your time for money.
Yeah,
Unless you become a business owner and do
Yeah.
all that shit, like, you're forever exchanging your time for money.
Quick interruption to this video, I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.